All right, so this is the Campus Recreation and Wellness Center, or CRWC. This is more or less the athletic hub of the college. So located in here, this is our triple wide gym that we share with Ontario Tech. So the gym is used for a variety of different purposes. Everything from guest speakers, concerts, post-secondary fairs, job fairs, exams are held in here, for example. When that's not going on, the gym is open for students to use if they want to come in here and play basketball, volleyball, ping pong, badminton. So what you can do, you can just go to our welcome desk, you sign in with your student card and get access to the gym and the equipment for free. So if you want to borrow a basketball, you can just go to the desk and say, hey, can I borrow a basketball? And they'll lend one out to you. Also located upstairs, we have a 300-meter running track above the gym. So if you want to go for a warm-up, cool-down jog, you do have that option available to you, especially during the winter time. You may not want to go for your run outside, so always a great idea to have this running track inside. Located here, this is our Flex Center, so this is more or less the workout area of the college. So you have everything from weightlifting equipment, muscle-specific groups, cardio equipment, strength and flexibility, you name it, they have it all in here available to you. We also have group fitness classes available as well. They do come at additional cost. So if you wanted to take a yoga class, for example, spin class, Pilates, whatever it may be, look at our group fitness schedule and find a time or class that fits best in your schedule and your preferences as well. So located behind me here, this is the Campus Health Center. So this is a place you can go to if you are suffering from any sort of ailments, maybe you got a couple sniffles, whatever it may be. It's more or less a walk-in clinic with doctors and nurses on site to help you with any sort of ailments you may have. They also offer mental health supports, vaccines, immunizations, athletic therapy such as naturopathy, chiropractic care, physiotherapy, and massage therapy as well. So what you do, you just come in here, you book an appointment, and you get access to either a doctor or nurse depending on what your situation is, and then get you the help that you need. Also located over here to my right, we have the campus pharmacy. So the pharmacy is obviously where you can go to pick up any prescriptions, or if you just need something for the day to get you through, maybe you got a headache, maybe you got an upset stomach, whatever it may be, you can pick something up and go about your day without any worries.